So you are Izzy Epstein?
I am Izzy Epstein, and this is round 2. We're going to see what we can do on round 2. Round 1 was okay. Got to tighten them up a little bit. Are you cats ready?
This is Sesame Street, post-apocalyptic.
How many runs are we doing today?
Sesame Street.
Probably 3.
All right.
And then we maybe have a little time to do some extra points with some accuracy shooting.
I can't do that for points. I gotta do that for my logs.
Whatever.
I just want to work my pistol.
There you go.
Ready to go?
Right, I am ready when you are. Just tell me when.
Mark, get set, roll.
Roll it! Alright, let's see. We got one plate messed up, but that's okay.
Miss 1. Miss 2. Hit 3. Hit 4.
Okay.
Safety move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Safety move. One hit, 2 hit, 3 miss, 4 hit. Nice. Next target. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Steal. 1 hit. 2 miss. 3 miss. 4 hit.
I'm out of rounds.
How'd you get out of rounds?
I don't know.
Oh,
It's your fault for not having ammo.
Yep, it is.
2 hits on the steel then.
My fault.
Ouch.
Nice.
Not bad.
Well,
This
looks like,
This
yeah.
one's not mine. That's better.
Hey,
3 on the line.
look at that.
And 2 right through the same hole.
Nice.
That's real good.
Oh, yeah, we'll count it.
So that's 15 plus 8
Yeah.
is what?
23.
23. Now that was better.
Yeah.
Definitely better. Cool.
Okay.
Moved over to the left a little bit.
So 4, that's
12 and 6.
18.
18. Okay.
Alright, you got the same score there you did before. Your first 2 targets are the same score. Your third target, same score. You increase 6th on your 4th target. Drop 1 on your 5th target. Drop 3.
Okay.
On your last target. So a grand total of 66. Your plus 2. That was 66. So you improved. Good job. Smile. There you go.
You're clear.
All right, you're clear. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Nice, buddy. Let's see what you got.
1.
Hit.
Hit.
Miss.
3 miss. 4
Miss. Okay, safety that weapon. Put it away. Let's see what you got right here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Safety and run. Safe and move. Safe and move.
Got some tape come off.
Yeah. Okay, 4 on the pistol plate. One miss. Two miss.
That's just right to the right, Tony. It was low.
Okay, that's it. Shoot from here on the next plate. See what you get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, safe and move. Don't hurt yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do some steel. Oh, he's going prone. He's going prone. Hit.
1 hit.
2
2
hit.
hit.
3 hit.
3 hit. 4
Miss.
miss.
5 hit. Nice. Well, you made sure you got some points on that one.
There you go, Tony.
Let's see what you got down here. Let's count that steel. Safety the weapon.
Good job.
Good job, buddy.
I was like, this is gonna hurt, but through it.
Yeah, he wanted those points. He wanted those points.
I think I tossed a couple shots in that first one. But I didn't have my breathing right yet.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Looks like your breathing got a little out of control here.
Yeah, that's nice. I like it right to the double tap there.
Yep.
So 10,
Not very good
16,
score, though.
Ouch, that hurt.
16.
16, Leroy, run number 2, final target.
Got a couple in there.
Got a couple.
4 rounds pistol. 1, 2, 3, hit. 4 miss. Next target.
Safety.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Safe and move. All right, 4 on the plate. Two miss. 3 miss. 4 miss. Next target. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Safe and move. All right, 5 shots left. Two, 3, 4, 5.
Fucking cactus.
One hit, 2 hit, 3 miss. 4 miss. 5 miss. So you got 2. Capt and Ahab, third target. Yeah, 4. 1, 2. That's 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. Target 2 for Capt and Ahab is 12 and 5. That's 17, 18, 19.
And go. 3, 2, 1, launch. There he goes. There he goes. Look at him giving a smile to the camera on the way out. Let's see what you got, boy. See what you got.
Whoa. Look at that.
Lost your strap.
Cut right there.
Nice.
Unbelievable.
All right, let's see what you got here, buddy. One miss to the right. One miss to the left. One hit low. Miss. Okay, that's 4.
That 4?
That's it. Save your next 4 for the next stage. Did you just come unclipped?
It's all makeshift.
Gotcha. Hey, that's what we do around here, man. All right, let's see what you got here. 5 shots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Safe and run. All right, that's a big steel plate. That's a big steel plate. Get it.
I really need my own handgun.
It's coming. Miss. Hit. Oops. You got one more. Yep, that's his nasty feed ramps. I keep telling him, man. There you go. One more. Get it, boy. Ah, you got one. It's all right. That thing's all jacked. All right. Yeah, you got right here from 5 more here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Safe and run. Okay, 5 from right here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here he goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Hit, 2, hit, hit, hit. That's it. Nicely done on the ground there, boy.
Points. You need the points.
You need the points. Those very good points. All right, let's go see what your targets are down here.
All right.
That was good shooting. I'll bet you got a real nice group on this here.
Ditto.
Yep. Especially you lit them up real quick. You must have been feeling confident.
I think I put one high.
Looks like it.
Ah.
You got 4 in and 1 out.
I'll take it.
Nice. Okay, so that's 25, 24?
24.
24. You ain't got to cover it up. You're the last one.
What was that, 5 on that?
Yep. Okay, so here's Johnny on the second to last. That looks like a double tap. Well, no, that's 5.
Yeah. 15, 19, 21, 22.
Okay. 22. Not too bad. Not too bad.
I got all 4s and a 5. Talking about.
That's not that great, though. You should have been in there from that distance.
Well, I just recovered from the pistol fiasco.
That's true. So what do you got here, point-wise?
It's 4 times 4, 16 plus 5. It's
21. All right, there's Captain Smith on his final run.
It's still better.
Yes, definitely. Nice, buddy. Nice.
I'm getting 218.
538.
You getting
What was your
218?
grouping?
Yeah.
That certainly could be 218.
We got the target at the office.
Nice.
Yeah. So Captain John is saying that that steel plate down there is at 218 yards.
216.
216. That's certainly possible.
Said 216, 218, 220.
That's certainly possible. All right, so Leroy is getting ready to send down 2 reins.
217,
Yeah, it's probably a little over 200.
216, 216, 219.
Cool. So we're a little slightly over 200 yards for extra points. Let's see what Leroy can do. Shooter is up. Spotter ready.
Thanks, man.
That's a hit. Very nice.
Isn't that a beautiful sound?
That is a lovely sound.
Fucking awesome.
Miss.
Captain John.
Leroy has decided to send a third because he's disgruntled. He hit it that time. So number 1 was a hit, number 2 was a miss, number 3 was a hit.
You want a bonus shot out since you took the cold bore shot?
Oh, that's all right. I think we should do it a couple more times just for fun anyway. Just because I think it's awesome. Okay, go. Nice. You got 3 hits out of 4 shots. Not bad.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
That second shot I pulled, that was all me.
Well, yeah, I feel you.
My call was way over at 9 o'clock.
Cool, cool.
We're not shooting on the squishy surfaces.
Yes, indeed.
Nice. Very nice. Very cool.
You got another one?
I like your scope, man.
It's a nice scope. Very nice scope.
Nice optic.
Nice. Yeah. Very nice. Okay. You're good to go, buddy. Let's see what you got. Going live. Nice. Very nice. Yep. I heard him. Nice, Johnny.
Nice.
That's beautiful. Did you hear that coyote right over there?
What?
There's a coyote calling right over there.
Really?
Just heard him. Tony heard him too. He perked his head up right away.